test driving everything and anything with two wheels to help you find your next bike. I'm Sean Kerr, and this is Srkcycles.
Gotta slow down, you're moving too quick! Come on!
This is working, man. We're going all the way with this. Everything is looking really, really good. Alright guys, I'm doing a walk around of a Slingshot sling sled, and everything's working out pretty good on it. We're actually really impressed. It's got a aftermarket pipes, and of course we're using tank straps to secure it down. I'm waiting for the guys to come catch up. Bunch of bums, man. But this thing is working out awesome. I couldn't be happier. We had to take off the front bumper for it, and we're gonna drive it around. It's gonna be epic.
I've seen them with the skis on them before.
I just did that. You like that?
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I call it a sling sled.
You must be from SRK.
I am.
Yeah.
How's it going? I'm surprised this is actually working. I thought it'd be faster though. I guess we need like a paddle tire or like tracks to actually make it faster. But I'm actually pretty impressed with how much ability I have to control it. And I guess it probably worked out for the best that this thing has no working traction control. That snow chain just does all the work. And I'm actually getting the hang of it. I can make turns pretty well. The sling sled is really good at a lot of things. I just hope I'm actually on the road. Hope I'm not in people's yards. I feel like Santa Claus. These people aren't even noticing. Hello. Hey, it's a dog. Come on, dog. Come on along for the ride. Don't hit the snowblower. Don't hit the lady with the the guy with the snowblower. Thanks for not blowing me with snow.
I was just kind of looking at it like, what?
I think corners like a champ. Literally handles like it's on rails. I'm gonna go with this as a 1000% absolute, no questions asked success. Probably one of the most successful things I've ever done, actually. Ooh, back to McFarland Drive. Well, I was planning on taking this thing on the highway, but I can't get going that fast. I mean, anytime I give it any more than like 1500 RPMs, I just start to spin. My concern is that my skis are walking out from underneath me because my steering wheel is pretty sideways. Couldn't have gone any better. I know I can't actually turn the wheels that much because I think the skis will eventually hit the body. But they are held down by the best straps in the world.
So how'd it go?
I'm gonna go with this as a success, man. Like 1000% success. It wasn't really snowing that bad. I didn't get that wet. I couldn't go very fast. There was
Yeah.
no way I was gonna be able to keep it up on the highway.
I mean, like a.
Now if I had a tread or like a paddle tire, that'd be sick. It would just shred it up.
Yeah.
I thought it went great though, man. The skis were perfect. The connection from the skis to the tire was a little sloppy because the whole time my steering wheel was like completely, over.
Yeah.
But
It worked.
it worked. It definitely worked. I'm very pleased with how that went.